Hi, I'm Sanae Chiba from the North Pacific Marine Science Organization known as PICES. Thank you for inviting PICES to the SCOR annual meeting. PICES is an intergovernmental organization comprising 6 member countries around the North Pacific Ocean. PICES functions as a forum which provides our community with opportunities and frameworks for collaboratively creating and sharing scientific knowledge. PICES can play an important role in bringing a North Pacific perspective to the global activity of SCOR. This is the PICES structure. Science Board sets the direction of the PICES science, under which there are 7 standing committees. The committees oversee the activities of more than 20 expert groups, which implement scientific projects in multiple disciplinary areas. Just like SCOR working groups, these expert groups are the driving force of PICES science. The activities of these expert groups are integrated and mapped on the Social Ecological Environmental System Framework, which is set by the PICES flagship program, Future. This framework describes connections of the expert groups over the 4 components: climate system, physical biogeochemical processes, marine ecosystem, and human system. PICES and ICES jointly launched the Windows-endorsed program, SmartNet. SmartNet is a networking program. Its goal is to establish a global knowledge network for ocean science. It will support and leverage ICES-PICES member countries' activities for production and transfer of scientific knowledge. ICES and PICES together, the geographical coverage reaches the entire Northern Hemisphere. But our ambition is to reach out to communities beyond the Northern Hemisphere. SmartNet aims to facilitate partnerships and joint activity with wider communities to bring solutions to global issues. We have already developed good communication with programs and organizations in the Asian countries and the Southern Hemisphere. SmartNet has key thematic topics in which ICES and PICES have expertise and mutual interest. For example, in the areas of climate ecosystem fisheries nexus and the integrated ecosystem assessment for the Arctic Ocean. These topics are addressed by activities of the existing ICES-PICES joint working groups, also through the collaboration with new partners. SmartNet also emphasizes cross-cutting topics. These are addressed through the ICES-PICES frameworks for promotion of early career ocean professionals, science communication strategy, and capacity development programs. This is the area that PICES would like to explore opportunities with SCOR. SCOR and PICES have a long history of collaboration in capacity development. I myself have served as a PICES liaison in the SCOR Capacity Development Committee since 2021. We regularly support each other's programs and events. We appreciate SCOR's support for the PICES-sponsored International Symposium. Since the last annual meeting, SCOR funded travel support of early career scientists from developing countries to participate in the Small Pelagic Fish Symposium in Lisbon last November, and the effect of climate change on the world ocean in Bergen, April this year. SCOR also approved to fund zooplankton production symposium to be held in Hobart, March next year. We are also applying for the travel support fund for the Marine Socio-Ecological System Symposium to be held in Yokohama in June 2024. The other way around, PICES supports capacity development events such as summer school organized by the SCOR Partner Project. Since last year, PICES funded travel support of e-corps from PICES countries to participate in these events organized by SORAS and INBAR. This year, PICES holds the annual meeting in Seattle just after the SCOR annual meeting. As illustrated by the conference banner artwork, One of the highlights of the meeting is engagement of the local and the traditional knowledges. We invite a leader of the coastal indigenous community as a conference keynote speaker. He will present their project, Tribal Fast Food, to guide ecosystem-based management for the restoration of regional ecosystems. Workshop 9 invites diverse coastal knowledge holders including scientists, indigenous communities, and public and private sectors, and seeks community-based approaches to support climate-ready decision-making for ecosystem restoration. Finally, we cannot forget to note that SCOR funded this session and workshop organized by the PICES expert group on the ecology of harmful algae bloom, which is the North Pacific node of a Global Hub program. We appreciate SCOR's continuing support for and collaboration with PICES expert groups. Thank you very much, and see you again.